There's a lot less that goes into, especially on the automation side, into making a good quality weld with a robot from an operator that has very little experience. There's not as many buttons to push. It's a real simple process.
The DAIHEN teach pen is very focused. A lot of the shortcuts are on the teach pen screen itself. Again, what lends us up to much less keystrokes than the competition.
Once you learn OTC's base, it's easier to navigate yourself through the teach pen than other manufacturers.
If we need something simple as an application question answered, if we need something detailed in a full proposal that the engineering staff has to get involved, they are extremely responsive.
OTC was great to bring us around to other companies that were successfully using their robots.
The machine is pretty much Murphy-proofed. It won't allow you to select the wrong thing. If you have a wire selected and you're trying to select the wrong gas for that solid wire or that aluminum gas, it won't allow you to do it.
Whatever's needed in the welding process, they've streamlined that to make it a lot easier.
They're very robust, they last, so from a hardware standpoint, you don't have to work on them.
We did a 5 times increase on production. We got time for more work. We didn't lay anybody off. It wasn't like that at all. We just increased our productivity, and now we have time for other things.